The first ball of the innings.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
The ball had off to the boundary. See you later written all over it.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Gone straight into the hands of the fielder. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Not a good shot. The field was set up for that and the batsman fell right into the trap.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Glorious, absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
What a catch by the fielder.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Great shot. He has dispatched that and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
He has gone for a loose stroke.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the bat.
He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. What a catch! That is brilliant bowling. The batsman had a poke at it and he is gone. He was poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is a very quick signal taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
Can he do it again?
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, shot, but only a single. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Nudges it for a single.
Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. There is a fielder at cover.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
Informed fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Big appeal.
Long walk towards the pavilion.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is a very quick signal taken.
There is a fielder at cover.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting.
Last ball of the innings coming up.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.